when we talked about tertiary structure, we talked about globular proteins, if you remember. Globular proteins are spherical proteins, typically with good water solubility, with maybe multiple types of secondary structure. And usually they have a functional role in the cell, meaning that they could be enzymes, they could have a specialized function, binding something, okay? So we're starting with these globular proteins, and then within that group, there's another group called heme globular proteins. Heme globular proteins are, again, the same shape, spherical, high water solubility, and have some function, but they have a prosthetic group, an organic molecule, not of a protein nature, a prosthetic group called heme. Okay? Multi-ring structure called heme. And these heme proteins, they're quite abundant in the cell, and they play a lot of different roles. They play roles as electron carriers. In some cases, they play roles as enzymes, heme proteins. In today's lecture, they play a role in the transport and storage of oxygen. So I want you to appreciate that the presence of heme within those proteins imparts a specific function. In the case of myoglobin and hemoglobin, heme imparts the function of binding to oxygen and storing oxygen. Okay? So here's the first the first protein we will talk about is myoglobin. And you've seen this before when we talked about tertiary structure. So here's the folded protein. This is how it exists in the cell, in the muscle.